हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू S2S क्लासेस। आज हम +1 क्लास के लिए आगे सिलेबस कर रहे हैं। ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन चैप्टर 3 इज गोइंग ऑन टुडे ऑन दिस चैप्टर 3। दिस इज लेक्चर नंबर 12 ऑन चैप्टर 3। तो मीन्स मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज नाउ इन हैंड, अदर्स डन। टुडे मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज ऑन चैप्टर 3 एनसीईआरटी बुक से कुछ एग्जांपल करेंगे, सम इम्पोर्टेंट एग्जांपल्स, एंड आफ्टर दैट क्वेश्चन 1 to 3. Okay, now one example: find the value tan 75 degree. How can find tan 75 degree or tan 15 degree or sin 15, cos 15, cos 75 degrees, sin 75 degree? Okay, like this how can find? So now here sum of two angles or difference of two angles which we know, which we know, जो हम जानते हैं 30 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री एंड 90 डिग्री वैल्यू वी नो। तो इनका दो एंगल का सम और किन्हीं दो एंगल का डिफरेंस, ये फॉर्मूले हम जानते हैं। तो 75 डिग्री किस किस का सम या डिफरेंस है? 30 एंड 45 का सम है 75। तो ब्रैकेट दिस 75 एंगल लाइक द सम ऑफ known or difference of the known angle which values we know. Okay, you know very well in 10th class and all these values. So now here we can take tan 75 degree, break the 75 degree, tan of 75 means 30 plus 45. Okay, this is 75, 30 degree plus 45 degree. Now we know which formula we know: tan of a plus b, sum of two angle in tan. Tan a plus b equal we know tan a plus tan b, tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Okay, this is important formula. Proof of the done everything in last lectures. So now directly have to use this formula here. Then what will come? This implies what? Tan A is 30 degree, B is 45 degree. So tan 30 plus 45 degree, tan 30 degree plus tan 45 degree. Okay, and use the formula first and write plus tan 45 degree all divided by 1 minus tan 30 degree into tan 45 degree. Okay, tan A into tan. Now put the value. We know values of tan 30. Tan 30 1 upon root 3. Tan 30 1 upon root 3. Put the value which we know 1 upon root 3 plus tan 45 degree we know 1 divided by 1 minus 1 upon root 3 tan 30 into 1. Tan 45 कितना होता है 1, we know. So now simplify only. LCM denominator nothing than 1. LCM is root 3 in numerator and then 1 plus root 3 into 1 root 3. LCM and add and divide by in denominator also LCM root 3 2 term are there then root 3 minus 1 this now divide का multiply हो जाएगा fraction का reciprocal this implies simplify 1 plus root 3 divide by the root 3 multiply by reciprocal of this fraction so root 3 upon fraction reciprocal divide by multiply we know mathematical tools to simplify that root 3 minus 1 root 3 cancel now multiply by conjugate of the denominator to rationalize the denominator then root 3 plus 1 in numerator and in denominator both root 3 plus 1 rationalize the denominator otherwise this only answer but now root 3 plus 1 then whole square root 3 a square root 3 square 3 plus b square 1 plus 2 into a into b then root 3 2ab whole square done and divide by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 then a square minus b square a plus b into a minus b a square minus b square root 3 square is 3 minus 1 square is 1 this is 2 only denominator and here 4 plus 2 then 2 common 4 plus 2 में 2 common then 2 plus root 3 I have done directly this because 3 plus 1 4 4 plus 2 root 3 2 term then 2 is common factor then 2 plus root 3 upon 2 3 minus 1 2 then 2 simplify then it is 2 plus root 3 answer this is the value of tan 75 degree okay next example yes beta next example find the value of tan pi by 8 okay pi by 3 you know pi by 6 you know pi by 4 you know 30 degree 45 degree 60 degree this you know but pi by 8 how can find so this let pi by 8 is equal to a let this is a any angle this implies 2a equal multiply by 2 both sides so 2a equal to 2 into pi by 8 2a will be there simplify pi by 4 okay 2a pi by 4 a left pi by 8 now how can you 10 pi by 8 you take pi by 4 2a ठीक है बेटा you write 2a is equal to pi by 4 operate 10 both side this implies 10 operate 10 both side two angle are equal then value also will be equal tan of 2a will be equal tan of pi by 4 beta, and pi by 4 we know tan pi by 4 equal to 1. So tan 2a formula 2 tan a, tan 2a formula 2 tan a, remember the formula 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a, tan 2a 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. Okay beta, clear? Now tan 2a is then is equal to 1. Then cross multiply. This implies 1 minus tan square a is equal to 2 tan a. 1 minus tan square a is equal to 2 tan a. Cross multiply. Okay, and simplify. Then this implies ये उधर ले गए दोनों का तो क्या बन गया पॉजिटिव tan स्क्वायर a. ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन आ गई tan tan a में tan स्क्वायर a पॉजिटिव हो गया एंड पॉजिटिव है हमारे पास 2 tan a एंड ये -1 हो जाएगा और इक्वल टू 0. It is quadratic equation in the variable tan a. What variable? Tan a. So then let tan a is equal to y. tan a की कोई वैल्यू है, tan ऑफ a की कोई वैल्यू है y, एनी रियल नंबर. तो tan स्क्वायर a क्या बन जाएगा? y स्क्वायर a y स्क्वायर. then ये बन गया क्या? क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बन गई y स्क्वायर प्लस 2y minus 1 equal 0. Simplify this quadratic equation by the quadratic formula. Y equal a here. Quadratic a is coefficient of y square 1. B here coefficient of y 2 and c here -1. So these values we can use here. Formula b minus b plus minus x is equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. Root d discriminant upon 2a. This formula, so minus b is 2 and minus 2 plus minus square root d is discriminant in quadratic equation. You know b square minus 4ac, b square 4 minus 4 into 1 into c minus 1 upon 2 into a is 1. Now simplify this forward. What will come? This y equal -2 plus minus square root. Simplify -4 into -1. 4 1 ja 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 8. Root 8 upon 2. Then y equal -2 plus minus 2 root 2. Root 8. 2 to the 4 to the 8 upon 2. That 2 common, what will left? -1 plus minus -1 plus minus root 2 upon 2. 2 cancel, and y equal minus 1 plus minus now √2 वैल्यू कितनी होती है 1 पॉइंट समथिंग। तो अब ये नेगेटिव है, ये नेगेटिव तो टोटल नेगेटिव -1 and -√2 नॉट पॉसिबल बिकॉज इट इज इन फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट। एंगल पाई बाई 8 यानी tan A is y, tan A is y, so understand tan of angle A is y, ये वैल्यू है tan A की। तो tan A पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में है क्योंकि A हमारा कितना है पाई बाई 8, ये फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में है, तो tan A must be positive, so positive first quadrant, so y in positive, y must be greater than 0 because in first quadrant, ठीक है बेटा, in first quadrant, so यहाँ पर -1 एज इट इज, ये पॉजिटिव साइन है √2 एंड पॉजिटिव √2 -1, ये आंसर होगा। √2 -1, दिस इज पॉजिटिव, दिस इज y, y means tan pi by 8 is equal to tan A equal to y, so y is equal to, so tan A is equal to tan pi by 8 is equal to √2 -1 answer। Okay beta, so like this we can do। Next question, yes beta, next question exercise miscellaneous question number 1, prove that 2 cos pi by 13 into cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13 equal to 0। So now here you see three terms है 1 2 3, ये ऑलरेडी प्रोडक्ट में है, तो these two टर्म यहाँ पर एक फॉर्मूला लगा दो। कौन सा फॉर्मूला? cos A plus cos B, B now है ना, cos A plus cos B, ये लास्ट लेक्चर में यूज हो चुका, बहुत बार यूज हो गया। क्या होता है cos A plus cos B twice cos A plus cos B, इसमें twice cos A plus B by 2, दोनों cos आएंगे into cos A minus B by 2, this use this formula here, then proof of this, not solution, proof LHS in this LHS using this formula, A is here 3 pi by 13, B is here 5 pi by 13, then it will come twice cos, this as it is twice cos pi by 13 into cos 9 पाई को क्या लिख सकते हैं, 9 होना चाहिए, तो पाई माइनस 4 पाई बाई 13, देखो इसका मतलब 9 होगा, सिंप्लीफाई करो 13 माइनस 4 9, 10, 13 minus 4 9, so this we can break 9 pi by 13, 5 minus 4 pi by 13 and plus here this formula here using A is 3 pi by 13, B is 5 pi by 13, then it will come twice cos A plus B by 2, 3 pi by 13 plus 5 pi by 13, 5 plus 3 8 pi by 13 divided by 2, 8 pi by 13 divided by 2 into cos A minus B. 3 pi minus pi pi minus 2 pi by 13 minus 2 pi by 13 divided by 2. This. Okay, simplify. Then it will come 2 cos pi by 13 as it is into this 4 pi minus theta. Second quadrant cos pi minus something. Second quadrant में नेगेटिव होता है तो इसकी वैल्यू बनती माइनस cos theta. Second quadrant तो माइनस cos theta. Theta is 4 pi by 13. Which formula used there? Because cos pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Second quadrant में cos negative. Using this use and plus this as it is twice cos. Simplified is 4 pi by 13 into cos minus theta is 2 cancel. Cos minus theta cos theta only. Cos pi by 13. Okay. Now this minus y cos pi by 13 into cos 4 pi by 13 plus y cos pi by 13 into cos then this positive same thing, negative same thing, then equal to 0 equal RHS. As 2. Okay, like this we can do. Next question. Hani, next question. Question number 2 from miscellaneous exercise. Prove that sin 3x plus sin x into sin x plus cos 3x minus cos x bracket into cos x is equal to 0. So LHS taking and using formula. Using formula. Which one? Sin A plus sin B equal twice sin, you know, but write A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. This. First this, second, here cos A minus cos B. So cos, this also write cos A minus cos B. This formula equal minus twice both sign will come. Sin A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. these both formulas using here. Okay, and the LHS will reduce sin A plus sin B. A is 3x, B is x. A is 3x, B is x. Then direct time writing twice sin 3x plus x 4x divided by 2 and 2x into cos A minus B 3x minus x 2x divided by 2 then x and into this sin x. Okay, now this plus here using this formula cos A minus cos B. A is 3x, B is x. Then minus twice, so plus minus, then it is minus due to this formula. So minus 2 sin direct A plus B 3x plus x divided by 2 whole divided by 2 then 2x into A minus B into sin A minus B means 3x minus x 2x divided by 2 then x and into as it is cos x into cos x into cos x as it is. Okay, now you see twice sin 2x cos x sin x twice sin 2x sin x cos x दोनों same है तो cancel plus minus then this equal to 0 equal RHS as 2. ठीक है बेटा, ये फॉर्मूला इंपॉर्टेंट है अलग नहीं. Now next question after this. Yes beta, next question, question number 3. Cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square is equal to 4 cos square x plus y by 2. LHS here whole square open. What is whole square? A square plus B square plus 2AB. Algebraic identity. A square plus B square plus 2 into A into B cos x into cos y A into B. Yes. After that beta plus here a whole square again algebraic identity A minus B whole square. A square means sin square x plus B square means sin square y minus 2 into A into B sin x into sin y. Yes. Now this implies like term cos square x plus sin square x angle same theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta 1 direct time writing. Okay. Cos square y plus sin square y these two terms again 1. Okay, then plus 2 common in these two terms 2 common then cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Now this now cos A cos B cos X cos Y, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, cos A plus B. What is cos A plus B? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B plus formula. Then it is 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2. This is formula cos A plus B. Cos X plus cos Y, cos X cos Y minus sin X sin Y. 2 as it is common. Okay. Now this 2 common, but left 1 plus cos X plus Y. 1 plus cos theta formula by cos 2 theta formula. Cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So 1 plus cos theta formula that we can use 1 plus cos A is equal to twice cos square A by 2. Cos 2A cos square A by 2. This because cos A is equal to 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1 by cos 2A formula. So this formula we have to use directly. So 1 plus cos A is equal to 2 cos square A by 2. Then this 2 as it is into 2 cos square A by 2. A means X plus Y divided by this. That 2 to the 4 cos square X plus Y by 2. Done. Equal RHS. That's true. ठीक है बेटा? Hence true. यही prove करना था. We can check here. Yes. Done. Okay. Like, share, and subscribe the channel and send the video to the maximum contact and guide them. They must send forward to the other friends and subscribe the channel to get the next notification with you and subscribe channel. After that, not forget to write the comment in comment box. Thank you.